morning everyone. In previous lecture, we can learn about modulus of z, conjugate of z and inverse of z. Okay. If z is equals to a plus ib, then conjugate of z is denoted by z bar and it is a minus ib. That means for conjugate of any complex number, we have to change just sign of imaginary part. Okay. And in simple words, I સાથે જે કોઈ coefficient here plus b. So we can take in conjugate minus b. Okay. For modulus, we can denote modulus of z by like this. Okay. And value of modulus of z is a square plus b square. That means square of real part plus square of imaginary part. And then we take root. And multiplicative inverse of z is equals to a plus ib is denoted by z inverse. And value of otherwise formula of z inverse is z bar upon modulus of z square. Okay. આ ત્રણ વસ્તુ આ ચેપ્ટરમાં ખાસ યાદ રાખવાની છે. કોન્જ્યુગેટ ઓફ z, મોડ્યુલસ ઓફ z એન્ડ ઇન્વર્સ ઓફ z. ઓકે. દરેક લેક્ચરમાં હું તમને રિમાઇન્ડ કરાવતી રહીશ. ઓકે. પછી આપણે કરીતી એક્સરસાઇઝ 5.1. Express each of the complex number in the standard form. That means standard form એટલે કયા ફોર્મમાં? a plus ib form. Otherwise reduce the following complex number in the standard form. Okay. એના 3 થી 4 સમ કર્યા હતા. હવે આગળ now question z is equals to 3 in the bracket 7 plus I into 7 plus I into 7 plus I into 7. Okay. We have to convert it into simple form, otherwise standard form. I7, you can write I7, otherwise 7I. Both are same. Okay. Here just multiplication of 3 with this bracket and multiplication of I with this bracket, and then we can add. Okay. So 7 3s are 21 plus 7 3s are 21I plus I into 7 7I plus 7I into I. So I square. And you have to remember for complex number I square is equals to 1. Okay. So 21 as it is. These two terms are like terms. Here also I and here also I. If we have 5x plus 2x, then we can say these two terms are like term because variable of here x and here also x. Okay. Here 21i plus 7i. So answer is 28i. Plus 7 and I square is equals to minus 1. બે ત્રણ સમમાં થોડા સ્ટેપ્સ લખશું પછી ડાયરેક્ટ લખશું. So 21 plus minus minus 7. 21 minus 7. So 14 plus 28. This is the standard form, otherwise a plus ib form. Okay. બે ત્રણ સમમાં I square ની જગ્યાએ -1 રિપ્લેસ કરો, ત્યાર પછી પ્લસ માઇનસ કરો, અધરવાઇઝ ડાયરેક્ટ ખ્યાલ આવે અને આના પછી આ સ્ટેપ લખો, કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી. ઓકે. ચલો નેક્સ્ટ. z is equals to 1 minus I minus plus I6. Okay. First we open the bracket. Minus minus plus 1 plus minus minus. So here plus 1 so 2 minus I minus 6 so minus 7. Okay, this is a plus ib form. If I is in denominator, then we have to take conjugate. Okay, હવે એવા સમ પણ પછી આવશે. Z is equals to 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 4 plus okay. We expand bracket. Okay, otherwise open bracket. So here 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5I minus 4 minus plus minus 5 by 2I. And as you know, these two terms are like terms. So like this. From these two terms we can take I as common. So here 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. We can take 5 as LCM. So here 1 minus 20 plus I. Here 10 is LCM. So 2 2s are 4 minus 25. Okay. Now 1 minus 20 so minus 19 by 5 plus I in the bracket 4 minus 25 so minus 21 by 10. So minus 19 by 5 plus minus minus 21 by 10 I. This is a plus IB form, otherwise standard form. Okay, and in this standard form real part is minus 19 by 5 and imaginary part is minus 21 by 10. Okay. Now next sum. One by 3 plus I 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I 1 by 3 bracket is complete minus in another bracket minus 4 by 3 plus I. Okay, here 3 brackets. First we open all brackets. So here 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3 minus minus plus 4 by 3 minus plus minus I. Okay, now first we can take all like terms. So here 1 by 3, 4 and 4 by 3. These 3 terms are like term, but these 3 terms are constant term. So 1 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 by 3. From these 3 terms we can take I as common. So here I. So here 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay. Now for this bracket we can take 3 as LCM. So here 1 plus 12 plus 4 plus I. Here 3 is LCM. So 7 plus 1 minus 3. So 12 plus 4 14. Sorry 16. 16 plus 1 17. 17 by 3 plus I. 7 plus 1 8. 8 minus 5 3 5 by 3, which is a plus IB form. Okay, and here real part A is 17 by 3 and imaginary part B is 5 by 3. We can say it is a standard form, otherwise A plus IB form. Now next sum is 1 minus I whole raised to 4. Minus I whole raised to 4. Okay, we have to convert it into standard form, otherwise A plus IB form. If like this, then it is a standard form. But 1 minus I raised to power 4. So we have to remove power 4. Okay. As you know, for power 4 I can write like this. Okay. Now, for this bracket, we can use this formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is equals to 1 and b is equals to minus I. So 1 minus 2I plus I square. Okay. This is the expansion of 1 minus I whole square. And this square is as it is. Okay. Now, જ્યાં પણ સમમાં I square દેખાય, simplify કરતા પહેલા we have to remove I square. That means I square ની જગ્યાએ 1 minus 1 replace કરવાના. So 1 minus 2I અને plus as it is, and I square is equals to minus 1. So 1 minus 2I plus minus 1 whole square. So plus 1 minus 1. So z is equals to minus 2I whole square. And as you know, minus square plus 2 square 4 and I square. And when we see I square, we can replace I square by minus 1. So 4 into, so z is equals to 4. Here imaginary part is 0. So which is standard form of, otherwise A plus IB form. A is equals to 4, that means real part is 4 and imaginary part B is equals to 0. Okay. Now next sum. Here 1 by 3 plus 3I whole cube. Here we have cube. So we have to use formula of cube. That means A plus B whole cube. And as you all know, you all learn in standard 9, A cube plus B cube plus 3AB in the bracket A plus B. If A cube plus B cube, then formula is તમારે ખાસ ધ્યાનમાં રાખવાનું છે. If A cube plus B cube, then formula A plus B in another bracket A square minus AB plus B square. But here A plus B whole cube, then A cube plus B cube plus 3AB in the bracket A plus B. Okay, we apply this formula on this bracket. So here as A 1 by 3 and as B 3I. So we can write 1 by 3 cube plus 3I cube plus 3A into B. So 3I in the bracket A plus B. So 1 by 3 plus 3I. Okay, I can use this formula. જ્યાં A દેખાય છે એની જગ્યાએ 1 by 3 replace કર્યા અને જ્યાં B છે ત્યાં 3I. Okay, now we solve it. So 1 cube 1, 3 cube 27 plus 3 cube 27 and I cube here first multiplication of these three terms, so 3 and 3 cut, so we have 3i in the bracket 1 by 3 plus 3i. Okay, now as you know I square is equals to minus 1 but I cube, so I square into I square is equals to minus 1. So I square is equals to minus 1. તેમ આ વેલ્યુ પણ યાદ રાખો તો સારું, અધરવાઇઝ એક્ઝામમાં સાઈડ પર આ રીતે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાનું. I cube is equals to minus I. આપણે I ના પાવર શીખ્યા છે. ઓકે, સો I cube is replaced by minus I. So 1 upon 27 to minus I. Okay, I cube is replaced by minus I. Now we multiply 3i. So 3i into 1 upon 3. So 3 cut. So here I plus 3 3s are 9i into I square. Now z is equals to 1 upon 27 minus 27i plus I minus 9. I square is equals to minus 1. So here I can replace I square by minus 1. So plus minus minus 9. Okay. And if you want, here you can write I square is equals to minus 10. So this term is minus 9. Okay. Now like terms are 1 upon 27 minus 9 plus I. So here 1 minus 27. Okay. We can take 27 as LCM. So here 1 minus 243. Okay. Plus minus minus. Okay. Otherwise I can write like this, plus I. So here z is equals to minus 242 upon 27 minus 26i, which is a plus ib form, otherwise standard form. And for a, minus 242 upon 27, and imaginary part b is equals to minus 27. Okay. Now next sum. Minus 2 minus 1 by 3 I whole cube. For this sum we can also use this formula. Okay, if sum is like this, then formula is if a minus b whole cube, then formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in the bracket a minus b. Here if sum is like this, 2 minus 1 by 3i, then we apply this formula. Okay, otherwise like this, then we use this formula. If sum is given like this, okay, then we can write 1 by 3i minus 2 whole cube, and then we apply this formula. But in this sum we have minus 2 minus 1 by 3i. Okay, then first we take common as minus, so bracket is whole cube. Okay, we can take minus common from these two terms. So 2 plus 1 by 3i whole cube. And as you know, Here minus sign, that means minus 1, and minus 1 has odd power, then answer is minus. So first I can write minus and then 2 plus 1 by 3i whole cube. Okay. આ બધું તમે પહેલા આગળ 9th 10th માં શીખીને જ આવ્યો છો, છતાં એકવાર એક્સપ્લેન કરી દીધું. ઓકે. Now for this we can apply formula of a plus b whole cube. So minus sign as it is in the bracket, 2 cube plus 1 by 3 into I whole cube plus 3a b in the bracket a plus ib, a plus b. Okay, now bracket is complete. Now 2 cube, minus sign is as it is. Okay, 2 cube, so 8 plus 1, that means I cube by 3 cube, so 27. Okay, here 3 and 3 cut, so plus 2i. 3 and 3 cut, so here 2i, and in the bracket 2 plus 1 by 3. Okay, now 8, and as you know I cube is replaced by minus I. Okay, so value of I cube is minus I upon 27 plus 2 2s are 4i plus 2 by 3i into I square. Okay, if you want you can write I cube is equals to minus I. So here we can write minus I. Now minus sign as it is, 8 minus I upon 27 plus 4i, and as you know I square is replaced by minus 1, so here plus minus minus 2 by 3. Okay, થોડું ડાયરેક્ટ શીખવાનું છે. I square ની જગ્યાએ minus 1 રિપ્લેસ કર્યા, so here minus 2 by 3. Minus sign as it is. Otherwise I can open the bracket. So minus 8 plus I upon 27 minus 4i plus 2 by 3. Okay, I can give sign in all these terms. Now minus 8 plus 2 by 3 like term, so I can write. Otherwise you can also write like this, minus 8 plus 2, and from these two terms we can take I as common. So here 1 upon 27 minus 4. Okay, here 3 as LCM. I as it is, 27 is LCM. So answer is minus 22 by 3 minus 107 upon 27 I. 1 minus 108, so minus 107. Okay.